35-year-old Brandon Lee Bjornstead of Neche, North Dakota, has been sentenced to 60 years in prison, followed by a lifetime of supervised release for the charges of sexual exploitation of minors, extortion receipt, distribution of materials containing child pornography, and possession of materials containing child pornography. Bjornstead was further ordered to pay restitution in the amount of $3,600 to the victims and $1,800 in special assessments to the Crime Victims Fund. Between May of 2015 and May of 2017, Bjornstead solicited thousands of self-produced child pornography from hundreds of children located across the United States and elsewhere. Using various aliases, Bjornstead coerced hundreds of children into producing and electronically sharing their self-produced sexually explicit images and videos. Bjornstead allegedly enticed his victims with the use of multiple social media platforms, such as Skype, Kik, Snapchat, Musically, among others. On hundreds of occasions, he directed the children to engage in very specific sexually explicit conduct after he recorded the live presentations. In many cases, Bjornstead then shared this material with others, including other children and other adult men who shared his sexual interest in children. To date, the North Dakota Bureau of Criminal Investigation has identified 90 children residing in 3 different countries as part of this investigation. This defendant used social media and preyed on young girls whom he enticed into producing explicit videos and photos, said United States Attorney Drew Wrigley, adding, "These young girls were essentially coerced into an online sexual servitude through manipulation and intimidation." Brandon Lee Bjornsted's 60-year sentence represents justice in this case, and the details of his heinous crimes send a somber warning about the very real and present dangers that lurk just a keystroke away on so many social media platforms. United States Attorney Wrigley praised the efforts of the North Dakota Bureau of Criminal Investigation, Homeland Security Investigations, and Assistant United States Attorney Jennifer Poole, all of whom, Wrigley said, tirelessly pursued this investigation and secured justice on behalf of hundreds of young victims. United States Attorney Jennifer Poole prosecuted the case. This case was prosecuted as part of the Project Safe Childhood, a nationwide initiative designed to protect children from online exploitation and abuse, led by U.S. attorneys' offices throughout the nation. Project Safe Childhood, in conjunction with Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force, help federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies enhance their investigative responses to offenders who use the Internet, online communication systems, or computer technology to sexually exploit children. The ICAC program is a nationwide network of 61 coordinated task forces engaging in proactive investigations, forensic investigations, and criminal prosecution. Project Safe Childhood also helps to identify and rescue victims. That's from the U.S. Attorney's Office out of Fargo. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.